How to fix account not found on TikTok. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix the account not found error on TikTok, step by step. It's super simple. This issue is common, especially if your account is new or not performing as expected. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure your TikTok app is up to date. To do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for TikTok. If there's an update button available, tap it to update the app. If you only see the open button, that means you already have the latest version installed. Sometimes, an outdated app can cause issues like this, so updating is a quick fix worth trying. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clear TikTok's cache. You can do this within the TikTok app, but for a more thorough cleanup, it's better to clear it from your phone's settings. Here's how. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or search for Manage Apps. Find and select TikTok from the list. You can scroll manually or just use the search bar. Tap on Storage and Cache. This may vary slightly depending on your phone model. Tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data. Just be aware this will log you out of TikTok. It won't delete your account or videos, but it resets the app as if it were freshly installed. If you're still seeing the account not found error after clearing the cache and data, the next step is to report the issue to TikTok directly. Open the TikTok app. Tap on your profile, then go to the menu, 3 lines or dots. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Choose the appropriate topic or type your issue manually. You can also contact TikTok's support team and explain the situation in detail. This lets the TikTok team review your case and possibly restore access or fix the error.